أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today our topic is related to primary and secondary evidence. The article deals QSO 72 to 76. So we discuss the facts may be proved by producing documentary evidence in court. The principle of admissibility of documentary evidence is based on the best evidence rule. The documentary evidence is divided into two types: primary and secondary. First, we define primary evidence. The definition of primary evidence is evidence which the law requires to given first. Secondary evidence definition is secondary evidence is evidence which may be given in the absence of primary evidence. When a proper explanation is given of the absence of that better record. Meaning of documentary evidence: all documents produced for the inspection of the court are called documentary evidence. Types of documentary evidence is: number 1, primary evidence, and second is secondary evidence. Proof of contents of documents under Article 72. Contents of documents may be proved either by primary evidence or secondary evidence. Primary evidence under Article 73. Primary evidence means the original documents itself produced before the court for inspection. Important point in primary evidence is AIS, electronic form of automated information system. This is very important point of primary evidence. So we discuss a point out or other form or output of an automated information system is a primary evidence of the original if it was generated, sent, received, or stored in the electrons form. If the automated information system was in working order at all material items. Automated information system works 24 hours and there is no error in it. Secondary evidence under Article 74. Secondary evidence is evidence which may be given under certain circumstances in the absence of that better evidence which the law requires to be given first. It may be in the form of a reports or an oral account of the original evidence or a copy of a document. Like original is lost or destroyed, original is voluminous document, production of original is impossible, original is public document, certified copy of original is permitted by law, original consists of numerous accounts. Reasons for giving secondary evidence is secondary evidence should not be accepted without sufficient reason, which must come within the ambit of Article 76. Application of Article 76 is The grounds mentioned in Article 76 are applicable to civil as well as to criminal cases. So, I discuss all the points of primary and secondary evidence. So, I conclude this video to say that the contents of document must be proved by either primary or secondary evidence as provided by Article 72 to 76 of QSO. Secondary evidence is admissible only in circumstances mentioned in Article 76 after showing the execution of the original document. Hope guys you understand about all the headings, definitions of the primary and secondary evidence. Inshallah Ta'ala Aziz, we make a better video for you in next lecture. Request to you guys, please subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel, HBF channel. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.